Now let me show you CleverTexting, which is the new level of statistical predictive texting. CleverTexting has been developed for many languages: Arabic, English, Finnish, French, Hebrew, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Swahili. So we'll show you the English product. What happens in CleverTexting is it makes statistical predictions of what you are going to write and places them into positions most ergonomic to your thumb. So and you will have to you type only through single key press typing. You don't have to do multi-tap. As you see, there are some characters which have been predicted on the screen. If it was a touchscreen phone, you could go directly onto the screen and peck on them. Otherwise, this is a 3x4 matrix, and your ITUT keypad of the phone is also a 3x4 matrix. So if you want to write what, so you go for key 7 where W is. So press, and the phone has made a prediction of which H is on key 1, and then A is on key 5, and 1 is on key T. So that's how you write what. Happening, HAP. So, and if you press space twice, it puts a full stop as a convenient and puts the characters on the uppercase. Now, as you see, when you hold the phone like this, the key 1 is the easiest for your thumb. So we try and make the predictions according to their probabilities in this order, from key 1 towards the key hash. So let's say we want to write good morning. There are only two rules here. Look for the character on the screen, go for the key. If you don't find the character on the screen, press the next list button, which is the middle button. It throws up the next 11 predictions. This is how it works. So G is on key star now. When I press key, it's made a prediction. O is here. Morning. M is here. MOR. And then NING. So that's how you type in CleverTexting. Let's write a random word like, say, interesting. So as you see, most of the time you're going on to the same key as the system locks onto what you're trying to write. The interesting thing is that this technology is a dictionary-less technology. It really does not have the word interesting in it, but yet it offers a way to type, which is ergonomic to your thumb, and it's always single key press, and it's dictionary-less, so you have very little problem writing any non-dictionary word. Say you want to write London, so LONDON. You could have also written completely, say you want to write Texas. So these are all statistical predictions, and you could force it to go to uppercase by using the up key. Let's say we want to write Texas again and put it on uppercase. Every character is an uppercase. If you want to put a lowercase, you just force it by the lower key and you write. And there are also several different modes. This was the ergonomic mode. There is the ergo persistent, legacy, color, and nearest key. Let's show you legacy color. In this, the characters are being predicted onto positions which they originally belonged on the keypad. So if you are habituated to particular position, you can go for it. Say you want to write wonderful. So the characters would keep coming onto where they belong, and if they did not belong, if there was a collision, then it would be shown with a different color on some other key. And finally, you have this mode called nearest key mode, which is particularly useful for touchscreen phones, because in this mode we keep putting characters closest to where you touched on the screen, and it would either be able to neighboring. So if you write wonderful in this case, W is in key 9, so you would go tap tap like this, and then N, and then D, and R, and F, U, L. That would be a wonderful experience in typing on the keypad on a touchscreen phone.